Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Tashawn, and for today's edit with me, I want to show you all how I took this pretty but underexposed wedding image from this to this. So to see how I completed this edit, just keep on watching. So the first step that I'm gonna take is just to select the preset that I want to use. And the one that I'm going to use for this particular image is Truly Yours. And I like the exposure as it was, but I do want to brighten this image just a little bit. So I'm bringing the exposure up just a little bit more so I can have a little bit more of a bright and airy image. Next, I want to bring up the noise reduction so I can reduce the noise in this image just a little bit more. So bringing that up some. And next, I'm going to decrease my orange saturation just a little bit to help bring down the orange tones in their skin. And from there, I'm going to enhance the vignette that I have on this image just a little bit to make the couple stand out even more for this shot. And then bringing the exposure back up just a pop, and here is the before and after. And it literally was that quick to edit the image and bring it from an underexposed image to one of my favorite images from this couple's wedding day. Details for the preset that I used in editing this image will be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out if you're interested in my presets to help make your workflow much easier and to knock off hours of your editing. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.